integration x square into e power x dx. So because the functions are in product form, so there are two functions, x square and ex, e power x. So they are in product form, so we will use integration by parts. But for using that formula, we have to choose which is the first function and which is the second function. So for choosing that, we have a word ILATE. I for inverse trigonometry, L for logarithm, E for algebra. So x square is our algebra part, so this will be our first function. And then P for trigonometry, E for exponential function, so e power x will be our exponential function, it is our second function. So since we chose which is the first function, which is the second function, now we'll apply the formula. So first function as it is, according to that formula, integration by parts. First function as it is, integration of second minus in the integration of derivative of first into integration of second. So x square as it is, now integration of e power will be just e power x only, minus like that only. In the integration of derivative of x square will be 2x into integration of e power x will be e power x only. So in the next step, x square as it is into e power x as it is, this 2 I took it out. So in the integration, what is left? X into e power x is left. So again, for integrating this kind of question, because again two functions we have and those are also in the product form, we will use integration by parts. And so algebra, x will be our first function according to ILATE rule, and this exponential will be our this the algebra. X square comes in x comes in algebra parts. So this will be our first function, and exponential e comes in the second last. So this will be our second function. So first function as it is, integration of second minus in the derivative of in the integration of derivative of first into integration of second. So x square as it is, e power x as it is, minus 2 as it is, in the bracket as x as it is, integration of e power x will be e power x only, minus in the integration of derivative of x will be 1 into integration of e power x will be e power x only. So in the integration now only e power x left, so its integration will be just e power x only. So now next step, I multiplied this minus 2 by this term and this term. So minus 2 multiplied by x into e power x will be minus 2x e power x, then minus 2 multiplied by minus e power x will be plus 2 e power x. So there are three terms I have got. First term is this, second term is this, and third term is this. From these three terms, I have taken e power x common. So inside the bracket, x square left from the first, minus 2x left from the second, and plus 2 left from the third term. So this is our final answer.